Today I'm going to show you how to use the Glassdoor Company Reviews to get jobs targeted more to your specific needs. Knowing what company you're going to be working for, not what company, what type of company, not what type of company, but the kind of people that represent that company. We're not talking about what type of work they do. We're talking about how it feels to work there. Go up over here to companies, click on companies, and here you want to find a workplace that works for you. Okay, so we're looking for work-life balance because that's what we like. Here you can see we've got some companies that have been added in here. Now, what we can do is we can search a particular company name. We can search their location, industry, job title. There's also job functions over here. Okay, so different types of jobs within that company. Also company ratings. So you can see whichever one you're clicking here, you are going to see their rating. And then we're going to come down here. We need demographic and group ratings, global company size. And once you've filtered all of this out, you can actually see what companies would be decent to work for according to your needs. So let's say you're only looking for companies that have a very high rating. Okay, let's go in and click on digital perspectives and just give it a second. It'll load your page now. Here you can see all of the details about this company, including some reviews from people that actually work at the company or have previously worked at the company. So click on reviews and you're going to come down here. You'll be able to see some of the reviews. You can click on show all and you'll see all of the reviews. You can even leave your own job review if you have actually worked for this company. But here are all the reviews, and here you can base your decision on what people are actually saying about this company. Are they a good company? Are they good communicators? Do they listen to people when there are issues arising? So go ahead, use this feature to get employed and target the right company to be employed by for you.